Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The Japanese yen and the Swiss franc gained against major currencies amid a sell-off in technology stocks as markets weighed the implications of a Chinese startup launching a free open-source artificial intelligence model. Sales of new US single-family homes increased more than expected in December, further evidence that housing market activity regained some momentum at the end of 2024, though rising mortgage rates remain a constraint. The report from the Commerce Department also showed the rebound in home sales in November was much stronger than initially estimated. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq dropped, as the surging popularity of a low-cost Chinese artificial intelligence model knocked shares of chipmaker Nvidia and other companies benefiting from investments into the technology. Chinese startup DeepSeek has rolled out a free assistant it says uses cheaper chips and less data.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. Gold prices plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. Crude oil prices plummeted in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in oversold territory.
Looking forward, the economic calendar features high-stakes data releases and updates that may signal shifts in market sentiment. Traders should be prepared for potential volatility as these crucial announcements approach. With these events on the schedule, it's important to stay informed and agile. Markets can react strongly, so keeping a close watch is essential for strategic positioning.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.